God bless, put up your them over here. If you're not like that, take out the phone like them. Put up your them over here. You know why? When the road is turned up here, some of them don't like that. I've got no like to look at my wicked. Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? You don't know it's Silent Boy Africa. Yesterday, welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright guys, so right now I'm in town. Yeah, and the plan is to basically get some stuff for Island, you know, which is my baby boy and things. So I'm gonna get some Jamaican colors, yeah, like shirt and stuff like that, baby clothes, yeah. And I'm gonna mail them to Maria, is me. So yeah, hopefully I can find some of that. So I'm gonna browse through, do a walkthrough. Yeah man, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go now. Go on. There man.
Oh ya, dia akan guam.
Del.
Oh,
Yeah. Going through the market now. There, man. Hopefully I can find something, guys. Afternoon. Alright. Some baby stuff. May I look? My friend. Some baby stuff. May I look? It's just a month old, over a month old now. Baby boy. Boy. And some Jamaican colors, you know. You don't mind if I film?
No, man.
Alright guys, so I'm in the first store so far. This one, Jamaican cotton, this t-shirt. Yeah, this one. So much for this one?
1,500.
Okay. Alright, I think I might take this one. Let's see. About this one, I think.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
The white?
No, this. Yeah,
Oh.
that one. Oh. Oh, it's the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, guys.
Coming.
Alright. He's gonna look good on island, trust me. I'm gonna mail these off to my son, you know? Yeah, man. I'm a bit hot. I've been walking. Yeah, they have some real nice stuff here, guys. And I've done tours of these things before with me and Maria. So you guys have seen. Yeah, I might buy something for myself as well. Yeah. Some nice colors.
What kind of one here?
Oh, yeah, no, look bad.
I like a visor.
Okay.
A visor. I like a...
Yeah. And how much for this one?
1,800.
Alright. You have any like hats or anything like that?
I got too big now.
Oh, no, too big. Alright. I'll go. Okay. Ouch. Oh, then 3 or take off. Perfect down there. This one. Okay, fine. Don't like.
Sorry.
Some nice shells. These are home goods holder. Nice. That not look bad. So, and this one how much?
That one?
Mm-hmm.
1200.
Alright. I like them. So this is the Port Antonio Craft Market, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So if people come, who they must look for?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Alright, cool. Yeah. Yeah, man. Some nice stuff here, guys. Really beautiful.
Some have these around here as well.
Ah, nice. Oh, real colorful. Yeah. Nice, man. Everything there, your peeps. Jamaican authentic stuff, you know? Alright. Yeah. Something. Which one are these? This one? Oh, it's one more thing.
I just one.
Oh, but okay. How much for you?
500.
Okay. I think I might go with that one then.
Yeah.
Yes, I got this, guys. These are some real leather slippers. But, nice leather made. Nice.
I have a nice Jamaican dress.
Yeah, beautiful for the ladies, you know? Yeah, man. Nice Jamaican beach towel and all that. Yeah, very nice, guys. Come on, come check her out. If you ever come to Port Antonio. Yeah, man. Blessings. Alright. Okay. Alright, so.
You know, do the swimsuit then?
Nice. Nice swimsuits here, guys. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, man. You even have the fake dreads. Yo. Oh, this is it. Yeah, the fake one. Man. Alright. Alright. Yeah, match up the mirror now.
You're having a great
Alright, guys. Hey guys, so I got what I needed. Got everything. I might go check out the Portland Craft Village. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna go
3 and 4 for 150.
Essa aí tem que vender pra morar, vai fazer farm right now.
What is here you got them?
Erection problem. Most men when they're getting up in age they have erection problem. So
Go on.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah.
Coming on the car. What is that?
Go down the road. You ready? Go up on that side. Yeah, they're full of sun. Alright guys, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. Yeah man, so give thanks for watching guys. If you want to see more of these videos, please drop a comment down below and give this video a like. Yeah man, so let's go now, we're on the road.